Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Yoga Shamli and hope you all are doing well. So today's video gonna be about winter wear haul plus must-haves. Yes, so this video gonna be quite informative plus fun as always. So let's start with the video. So our first sweater is pullover sweater. Like pullover sweater is something which is evergreen. Its fashion can never be out of trend and it's quite perfect for your casual looks and daily looks. One is khaki color and this is really amazing. When I ordered it, so I had a picture in my mind like it will fit me perfectly, but when I received this one, so I found it bit loose, so I was like I ordered this one only, so I again checked the model's picture, but yes, this is something loose fit sweater. So I guess this is really something, stylish and really perfect for your casual and daily wear looks. So yes, this one is in khaki color. It's from Urbanic and it has only single size available. Let me check the size chart. So as per this one, its bust size is 43.3. So yeah, this is bit loose, but its pattern is only something, the sleeves will start from this. It's not shoulder side but after shoulder. So the length is really perfect. Like when I tried this, the length is really perfect. Whether it's sleeves length or a sweater length, it's totally perfect. It's not looking like a something Babaji ka jhola. It's really perfect. But so yeah, I'm liking it, and it's available in three colors. Like first one is khaki, another one is black and white, like khaki and white, another one is black and white, and another one is लाइट ब्लू शेड. तो मुझे खाकी वाला ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. दिस इज समथिंग एवरग्रीन सा लगता है और बहुत ही स्टाइलिश वाइब देता है, स्पेशली ये कलर. वेदर इट कम्स टू ब्राउन, बीच, खाकी, ये इट्स रियली लाइक अ समथिंग इंग्लिश कलर. सो ये बहुत ही परफेक्ट और एक स्टाइलिश वाला लुक देते हैं. एंड दिस स्वेटर इज रियली समथिंग विच गिव्स रियली कॉजी एंड स्मूथ एंड वार्म वाइब. I find it quite perfect one for my casual looks. So next one I have this vest sweater. So vest sweater is really something which is really trendy this season. So yes, this one is in round neck, or we can say block neck, like it's a high neck one. And this one is sando. It doesn't have sleeves, but yeah, but I found its design is literally unique and classy. This one is really something which I can not only carry with my like t-shirt and jeans, but also I can carry it with one piece. So I was like, yeah, it's literally will give amazing vibe. Yes, the plus point is it has this belt, and to support the belt it has these stripes also, only front side, not back side. Front side it has these two stripes but not back side. So the color is really amazing. The brown one, again I'm telling, the brown, beige and khaki something colors are really amazing. And I ordered it, it was only available in single color, which is this one, only brown one. But now this is also available in three more colors: khaki, blue and black. Yes, again this one is one size and from Urbanic. So let me check its size chart, and yeah, its worst is 36.2, and when I tried it, it really giving me a perfect fitting. But also it has this belt, so no need to take care about your fitting and all. Yes, its material is again acrylic fiber, and again it's really soft, cozy and giving me quite warm vibes. So I'm quite happy with this purchase because I can use it in multiple ways, with not only t-shirt and jeans but also with my one piece. So yeah. Next one I have this polo neck jumper, and I believe this is in trend since last season. Yes, since last season this polo neck jumper is really a hot seller, and this one is from H&M, but I ordered it from Myntra. So this one I guess H&M has recently launched. So this one is something called new season, and it's available in three shades: black, this white color, we can also say cream, this is creamy white, and another one is green. तो मुझे personally green बहुत पसंद आ रहा था, but white is really something which I can literally carry with everything. Black is also something, but my personal favorite is this one, so I ordered this one. And this one is literally amazing, quite give a different vibe. Also this is really perfect for less winters or also for high winters also. Later you can also carry a jacket, so whether it's a puffy jacket or something coat, and also yeah, that will literally give quite smooth and soft looks. So I ordered it in XS size, extra small, which is 31.5 inches burst. So मेरा actually 32 है, so मुझे वही आता है. This one is again in acrylic fiber material. And yes, new season, and amazingly it's still available on Myntra when I'm seeing it, so you can actually purchase. Usually H&M के जो भी new launches रहते हैं, जो भी products रहते हैं, वो easily sell out हो जाते हैं. Literally can't wait for some time. Like आज launch हुआ है तो मैं 10 दिन बाद सोच लूँगी या 10 दिन बाद खरीद लूँगी. No, you can't. Really, I have noticed this thing. Whenever H&M really launches something, that really gets out of stock very soon. So luckily this one is in stock, so you can go and purchase if you really like it. Now next one, I have this v-neck sweater. I think you really must have at least one v-neck sweater in your wardrobe. Round neck sweaters are not always go to something thing, so I believe you literally have at least one v-neck sweater in your wardrobe. So this one is from Roadster. Again, I purchased it from Myntra in extra small size, and its extra small size is 32, as Myntra usually offers. सो येस, अभी इस पर 50% ऑफ चल रहा है, बिकॉज अभी ब्लैक फ्राइडे सेल चल रही है मिंत्रा पर. सो यू कैन गो एंड परचेज. आई विल से लाइक वी नेक स्वेटर यू लिटरली मस्ट हैव इन योर वार्डरोब, बट आई एम क्वाइट नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद द मटेरियल. इसका जो मटेरियल है दैट इज समथिंग acrylic fiber only, but this is not quite satisfied. It's not that warm. Like for light winters I think it will go, but for heavy winters also you can apply layers and it will perfectly go. But I'm quite not that much satisfied with the material. People have given it to 5-star ratings, but still I'm not that much satisfied. So rest up to your choice whether you want to go for it or not. If I change my mind, then I'll definitely return it, because I haven't removed that tag yet. Today only I received this. Now next one, I have this pullover sweater, but the specialty is it's not full sleeve, it's half sleeves, and the sleeves are not like separately attachable. This is something which comes from within this the same piece. So I literally found it quite unique and amazing design, so I ordered it. Again, the issue is it's quite bit loose, but still this is not bit lengthy. It has a short length only till your waist, not below that. And as I always want, my closet must have literally different and unique pieces. So yes, I found it that same, so I ordered it. This one is in a coffee color, but I believe this one is quite bit different what I ordered, because in picture I am clearly seeing that this is actually quite coffee color, but this is literally something which is, we say mehendi color and all. There is also green and black color available. I also matched it with green shade what is model carrying, but that is different. But still I don't know, but if you guys can find it coffee, so maybe it's coffee, but it's something different from coffee, that this is not exactly coffee. But yes, I can literally pair it with something a gold small wala neck piece, and can pair it with my formal pants or with my denims also. I think it will literally give quite classy and cool vibes. You can also carry it for your office looks with the formal pants. It will literally go for less winters, and if you really feeling quite cold in your hands, so you can go for layering. So yeah, that's about its styling. This one again is in one size, so the bust size is 44.1 inches. This will literally give quite bulky and something loose fit pattern, but it literally fits me perfectly. So मुझे वही लगा, but still I can say yes, this one is something 44.1, because it is quite loose from chest side also and from tummy side also. Maybe because of its design, because this sleeve it doesn't has the separate sleeves. The sleeves is coming from this only, and later it has this curvy designs from top to down, so maybe that's why it is bit bulky. But yes, I'm still gonna have it, not gonna return it. नेक्स्ट वन इज माई पर्सनल फेवरेट, प्यारा सा छोटू सा, एंड आई बिलीव इट्स मटेरियल इज नॉट दैट वार्म, सो आई कैन ऑल्सो कैरी इट इन माई समर सीजन्स एज अ tank top, because it's quite in tank top pattern only, and I literally found it super cute, so I ordered it. And let me check what is the material, cause I believe it's not that winter wala something material. Yeah, this is acrylic fiber only, but this is very thin, not that much warm, so you can carry it for your less winter season or for your high winters also with the layerings. It available in three colors, black, red and blue, so I didn't found blue that much quite good. Red मुझे बहुत पसंद आ रहा था, but I thought कि black something, I don't have anything in my wardrobe, so I thought I should go for black one, and it will literally give quite cute sa pretty sa vibe. And black is really something which I can carry literally everywhere. Red color is something which will be some occasion specific or places specific, so I found this one I can carry in my office also, maybe not the red one, so I ordered this one. Again, this one is one size. It's from Urbanic again. This one is one size. One size is 25.2, and yes, this is quite stretchable also, moderate stretchy. So ये मुझे perfectly आ रहा है, और आई होप अगर इफ़ यू आर लाइक मी, इफ़ यू हैव फिटिंग लाइक मी, तो ये आपको भी परफेक्टली आएगा. क्यूटी पाई. Again, I have vest sweater, but it's in V-neck pattern, not the covered round neck pattern. So this is also a loose fit sweater. So it's again in one size from Urbanic. So Urbanic का हर एक पीस का वन साइज वेरी करता है, as I already mentioned for the previous products. So let me check this one size chart also. Yes, it has 40.2 inches burst. So yes, but it's available in 6 shades: blue, white, apricot, brown, grey, black. Literally warm, soft and cozy. आप लिटरली इसको लाइट विंटर्स और हैवी विंटर्स के लिए भी कैरी कर सकते हैं. एब्सोल्युटली अगेन विद द लेयरिंग्स इन एक्रिलिक फाइबर, आई गेस. यस, सो यू कैन लिटरली पेयर इट विथ not only your shirt, with also collar t-shirts, I guess. This pattern will literally go with the collar pattern shirts or t-shirt, whatever it is. And on as bottoms, you can literally carry your jeans, your pants, your formals also. So yeah, that's for this one also. And last one, again I have this प्यारा सा क्यूट सा ब्यूटीफुल सा कार्डिकन स्वेटर. लाइक कार्डिकन इज लिटरली समथिंग जिसका फैशन कभी भी आउट नहीं हुआ था हमारी मम्मी लोगों के टाइम के ज़माने से भी. बट द डिफरेंस इज इन बिट इट्स शेप और डिज़ाइंस. लिटरली देयर इज़ अ डिफरेंस. सो आजकल यू नो शॉर्ट कार्डिकन्स बहुत चल रहा है, एज अ अपर वी कैन से और एज अ श्रग वी कैन से. और आई लिटरली फाउंड इट क्वाइट क्यूट. मतलब ये मुझे ना, ये वो कोरियंस लोग जो नहीं होते हैं वो ऐसे पैटर्न्स बहुत पहनते हैं, तो मुझे और इंडिया में आजकल कोरियन फैशन लिटरली बहुत चल रहा है. मतलब हर कोई दीवाना है उनकी सीरीज़ का, उनके स्टाइल का, उनके आउटफिट्स का. सो यस, मुझे लिटरली बहुत पसंद आया. इट्स कलर डिज़ाइन लिटरली नॉट ओनली वाइब्रेंट बट ऑल्सो, मतलब ये आंखों को चुभने वाला वाइब्रेंट या बहुत ही इंटेंस वाला वाइब्रेंट नहीं है. दिस इज लिटरली समथिंग वाइब्रेंट प्लस सॉफ्ट. सॉफ्ट वाला वाइब्रेंट बोल सकते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें डार्क कलर्स हैं बट लिटरली उतना इंटेंस नहीं लग रहा है. दिस वन इज़ रियली अमेजिंग. इट्स मटेरियल इज लिटरली सॉफ्ट, अमेजिंग, एंड दिस वन इज़ नॉट इन लूज फिट. दिस वन इज़ परफेक्ट फिटिंग स्वेटर. तो मुझे इसलिए भी पसंद आया. एंड अगेन द स्लीव्स आर नॉट टॉलर देन मी, मुझे परफेक्टली आ रही है. लेट मी चेक इट साइज. वन साइज विथ 27.6 बर्स. क्योंकि स्वेटर है तो ये ऑब्वियसली जो निटेड पैटर्न होता है वो क्वाइट स्ट्रेची होता है, तो ये मुझे परफेक्टली आ रहा है. और अगेन इफ़ यू रियली वॉन्ट टू गो फॉर हाई विंटर कैजुअल लुक्स, तो यू कैन एब्सोल्युटली यूज़ अगेन द लेयरिंग्स अवेलेबल इन 3 कलर्स, रेड, ग्रीन एंड ग्रे. तो मुझे रेड वाला बहुत पसंद आ रहा था. बस इसमें रेड की एक ही लेयरिंग है, बाकियों का नाम भी ग्रीन और ग्रे है, बट उसमें ग्रीन और ग्रे उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. सो मुझे तीनों कंपैरिजन में ये पसंद आया, सो दिस वन आई ऑर्डर्ड. एंड दिस वन अगेन इन एक्रिलिक फाइबर. This will literally something which not only go for your normal casual vibes, you can literally carry it, I guess, in your offices also. If you carry decently with your t-shirt tops or plus your wide leg pants, your formal pants, I guess it will go. For normal casual looks, you can wear it with denims, I guess. जाएगा but black one, not denim one. So yeah, that was all about today's video. I hope it will really helpful for your winter cozy looks. And obviously the November has gone completely. Now it's time for December, and December में high winter पड़ती है. So I know I'm already bit late, but yeah, और मेरे past 2020 के भी videos चले हुए winter styling के. Till then you can enjoy that. But yes, this season also I will come up with winter styling part casual looks with your party looks. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, what are you waiting for? Do it now, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the instant notification of the new video. So yes, कहीं जाइएगा नहीं, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, bye bye. Hope you like it. If you really like it, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.